Downloading some new models. I just went ahead and wanted to get the updated version of Lava, which is a multimodal imaging LLM, so you can chat with pictures basically. And I got a few versions of them to test out, and also getting some higher bit rate versions of Tiny Llama to mess around with. And this is all on um, T-Mobile's 5G home internet while I'm in the car. So this is essentially how I stay connected while on the road, and it is not the snappiest thing in the world, but you can see it was downloading at about 14 megabytes. So well, now it's doing 7 because I'm doing the speed test over here. So it's doing, divide that by 8, whatever that is. Um, it shouldn't. It's usually a little bit more than this. I think it's just the speed test that's obviously affecting it. Once the speed test is over, you'll see that this starts going up a little bit. So it goes anywhere between like 15 and 20, depending on where I'm at. Sometimes up all the way up to 30. It really just depends on how close I am to a 5G node. So this is times 8. That's about 100 megabit per second, which you can't really complain for the $50 a month, and it's unlimited. I think they might throttle you after a certain point, but I haven't used it in a while, so I can't remember exactly what point that is. But this just goes to show how you can stay connected even when you're on the go. I'm powering it off that EcoFlow Delta 2, and it USB Type C. So any USB Type C, even a cigarette lighter adapter would work. And this is essentially it.